USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then go and join Telegram. And then check out the brokers and the pro from right here. So go and sign up with these brokers to start a new demo account and then trade my signals in that separate account only. So don't trade my signals in your existing account, trade them a separate account so that we can have the data, okay? Subscribe, like, share the video, blah, blah, blah. And coming back to the chart, starting this top-down approach for this very, very hot pair. Because what I have seen that people who watch my videos, they are very, they like very much about this USDJPY analysis by me, okay? And if you go and watch my USDJPY pairs analysis for last few weeks, you will see that I had been spot on. And that's why people like my analysis on USDJPY especially, okay? Anyways, so coming back to weekly, we are officially in the uptrend. I can say that. I mean, we will be when we cross above the EMA, but I told you on this candle that we are going to continue the uptrend. So I told you on 26th of May, okay? So on 26th of May, I told you that now we are going to continue the uptrend in USDJPY, okay? Reason being, this low was not broken by this red candle, okay? So I told you 26th of May, and now this is like 13th of what? July, okay? So 40 days ago, I predicted the official uptrend has started in USDJPY. Anyways, what happens in weekly, you get to know only after 1 or 2 months, okay? But I predicted that spot right on the spot, okay? Anyways, coming back to daily chart. In daily, we are officially on the above the EMA, okay? So this high is not broken yet, okay? This low is broken, or this high is broken, Autumn. So this high is broken. Now we will continue the uptrend because bull signal has come. Bull means that you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then last time you see here no candles. Here only one candle or two candle above the EMA. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 candle above the EMA. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles closing well above the EMA. Now we can say that we are officially in the uptrend in USDJPY. So look for longs only, okay? But pullback is going to happen, okay? So we have closed above this high is broken. So we're gonna take the pullback now. So wait for the pullback in daily chart. Rejection will come from the EMA, okay? So rejection or the price will touch the EMA. So we'll have a pullback. Rejection will come here. Then we'll have the blue confirmation candle and we'll go up, okay? So let's go for our entry in 4 hour. In 4 hour again, we have the same pattern. Use your flip levels from here till here, okay? So on Monday, we might carry on going slightly up, okay? So we might go for another 20-30 pips on Monday because you see, on Monday, US market is the last market to open. You know, we have IUD market, Japanese market, London market, and in the end, US market opens, okay? So it is possible that we might carry on going up until the US market opens on Monday, but we have to wait for the pullback, okay? We are not going to chase the price. We'll wait for the pullback to happen, then blue candle, and then we'll go up and take our 100 pips easily. In USDJPY, in each trade in 4 hour, if you enter in 4 hour, you can easily take 100 pips for free. It's free money on the table, okay? So again, guys, if you go and watch my last video on USDJPY, I think I told you here the pullback is happening. I told you exactly the pullback will happen until 145, 70 or 80, okay? Go and watch my last USDJPY video. You will know what I'm saying. Nobody else on the planet has done this, okay? Only I have done it. I told you exactly when the price will bounce back. In my last video, I said that the price will bounce back from 145.70 or 80. And that's exactly what happened. Price bounced back from there and we made a new high, okay? Similarly, wait for the pullback to happen. This time, I'm not telling you when the bounce will happen. It's too much for free, okay? But it's still free money on the table right in front of you. It's free money. Just take it, okay? Wait for the pullback, then blue candle, and then you go and take your 100 pips. If I will have time, I'll record next videos maybe on Monday, Tuesday, and then you get to see. Otherwise, I told you in this video, pullback, blue candle, go long, 100 pips. Nobody can take that money from you. It's free money, okay? So if you like what you see and if you want more videos like this, that's your job. Do your job. My job is to record these videos, upload that. After that, my job is finished. What is your job? Your job is to subscribe, like, share the video because not everybody is doing this for free. Okay, what I'm doing is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, people will do this for you only after you buy their $1,000, $2,000 course. Okay, so what I am doing for now, it's free. Okay, I can change my mind anytime. So my job is I upload the video. Your job starts after that. Subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, and join these brokers. Do exactly what I say. I'm not asking you to pay me any money. Okay, so subscribe is all free. Join these brokers. That's also free. Trade my signals in the demo account. That's also free. Okay, for now. So go and join the brokers, start everything, because if you don't do or support this channel, I have no reason to do this. Okay, I am not telling myself about these analysis. Nobody is teaching themselves on YouTube. I already know what to do. Okay, so these videos are for you, for public who's watching this. So do your part. Let's be a team. Otherwise, if I have to work alone, then I don't have to come on YouTube. Is it fair enough? Either we work as a team, which means you also go and support this channel, join and blah blah blah, because I'm not charging any money for now. Okay, I'm not asking you to go join my some membership or buy some course from me. I'm not saying any of that. I'm saying go and join these brokers, trade with my signals in that account, start with demo account, deposit your money, whatever. Okay, so for now everything I'm doing for you is free. So either you decide to work as a team with me, or if you don't work with me as a team, then why am I here? I'll just stop these videos, because I don't have to teach myself. I already know what I'm doing. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's work as a team, and hopefully we can do something better. Because you go and figure out or see videos from other people who are doing analysis on YouTube, and come and tell me the difference. Notice what the difference is between somebody else's channel and what is in my channel. Okay, maybe they also know what I know, but are they telling you this for free? Maybe they're not. They're always saying, oh, it's the uptrend, enter long after pullback. Okay, they don't tell you. Either they don't know themselves. Okay, again, I'm recommending you go and watch my previous USDJPY video. You will see I told you clearly that we have we will bounce back from 16. Sorry, we will bounce back from 145.70 or 80. I told you that we had this room. Okay, we have the space room to go down further. I think you were on this candle, so I said we will go further down and then we'll pull back in the last previous video. Okay, so you don't believe me, go and check out my previous videos, so you will understand whom you are dealing with. So just I don't have to go and record these videos for myself. You understand that, right? So appreciate this work for free. Free doesn't mean it's worthless. Free does not mean that it's worthless. What I'm doing is something for free for you for now, but that costs thousands of dollars. Okay, so let's not talk so much. I think it's the last video for me today, and hopefully let's have a great trading week. And keep watching the video, share the video, do your part, join brokers and all. That's all I can say. Okay, if I don't see the motivation, I will not make these videos anymore in the future, because I just have to repeat myself. I'm not the one who needs this knowledge. I'm the one giving this knowledge. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.